This is a Fairbairn pattern beam engine, dating from about 1860. What all beam engines had in common is that they had a vertical piston and an overhead beam. This beam could be made of wood originally, later of iron. Newcomen, as far back as 1705, developed this style of engine mainly for pumping water out of the tin mines in Cornwall and similar applications. His was an atmospheric engine, in that it was the power of the vacuum created when the steam was condensed, rather than the steam pressure, that did the work. It was James Watt and others who developed steam engines using steam pressure. The development of the crank allowed for rotary movement rather than simply up and down. When geared up, this also gives sufficient speed for powering threshing machines, milling machines, grinding machines, and so on. James Watt invented the centrifugal governor. These are the two balls that, when they spin round, control the steam inlet. This allows for the engine to have a continuous smooth motion regardless of the load placed on the engine. Beam engines were very reliable. The Earlston engine, now in the National Museum of Scotland, worked almost continuously for 95 years. The lever rocking back and forth was used to control neutral forward and reverse. In models, this was done using a structure known as an eccentric, but this wasn't used in full-size engines. The small piston close to the crank is a water pump. The Black Syke Tower engine house near Kilmarnock is very unusual, and then at some point it's made to look like a typical Scottish tower castle. This was to prevent the view from Caprington Castle being ruined by an industrial building.